In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start generating passive income promoting Clickbank product. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you've been earning before, you can literally use this step-by-step process that I'm about to show you in this video to start earning more income on Clickbank. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. As you can see right here, this is just 1 week earnings right here, over $2,000, as you can see right here. And I'm going to refresh this page real quick for those who might be doubting or thinking this is some fake screenshot or edited page. So I'm going to walk you through the whole process on how you can start earning passive income with Clickbank as well. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you've been earning before, definitely you can incorporate this strategy and start making money right away. So the first thing is quite obvious. You want to create a Clickbank account if you don't have one already. And once you are logged in to your Clickbank account, you want to come over to the marketplace section. This marketplace section is where you are going to find a bunch of products listed on Clickbank that you can grab affiliate link and start promoting. And once you make a sale for this product, you get a commission. So now I'm going to show you the exact product that you need to start promoting on Clickbank right now and start making money. You want to come over to the e-business and e-marketing section, and you want to scroll down to this section that says social media marketing. So once you click on that, you are going to be brought to this page right here. And now this is the product you are going to be promoting. It's going to pay you $24.29. So basically this product allows people to automate their social media account, as you can see right here. And also it's going to help people to monetize and grow their account. It works with the top biggest social media platforms out there like Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, Google, Facebook, Twitter, and the likes. And also you can see these are the things you are going to get from this product. And now you may be wondering, why do you need to promote this product? The reason why you need to promote this product is, as you can see right here, it increases their revenue, it boosts their SEO, and they can use this tool to grow unlimited social media pages. Okay, so now what you want to do from here, you want to go over to Fiverr, and I promise you are not going to create a Fiverr gig. You are not going to be spamming links on Fiverr. So what you want to do from here, you want to search social media management on Fiverr. So basically you want to target sellers who are offering these services on Fiverr. And you can see right here, over 100,000 people are offering this service on Fiverr. And these people right here are charging a lot of money on Fiverr. You can see this person $35, and some people are charging as high as $500 for social media management on Fiverr. So now I'm going to show you how to make money with this method. Now you want to go over to each of these people profiles. So if I open this one in a new tab, you can see right here, this person has 100 orders in queue, and this tells you this person is already making money on Fiverr. Basically what you want to do is to come over to this contact seller, okay, and you want to click on this ask a question, and then you want to send a message like this to this Fiverr seller. Hey, I am really interested in your services. I saw that you were doing social media management, so I can see how it works and how your social media accounts are performing. I really love what you do, and right before I place my order, can you show me or refer me to some of your social media accounts? So basically they'll be more than happy to show you their social media account that are performing using their strategies. So basically once they send you this social media accounts, and now you are going to contact them and you are going to tell them about this product and how it can save them a lot of time and how they can manage unlimited social media pages and save time, earn revenue, and drive more traffic using this simple tool right here. And once they purchase this tool, like I said, you are going to earn $24. And if they remain on this tool every month, you are going to be getting extra $3 every single month in passive income, which literally means the more people you refer, the more money you are going to make in passive income. And like I showed you earlier, you can see over 100,000 people are offering these services on Fiverr. So basically you want to repeat the same process and contact all of these sellers right here, because most of them are doing this manually, and this software right here is going to save a lot of time for them. And basically all they need to do is plug and play. All right, and also you don't have to use Fiverr alone. You can come to the likes of People Per Hour, and you can come to google.com as well. You can also use seoclark.com. So basically all you just need to do is to get those people's social media account, and you can go over that account and message them about this product. And also another script you can use is this one. A, for easier communication, can you please contact me and you are going to share your Instagram or your social media handle with them. And once they contact you, basically all you just need to do, like I said, is to tell them about how this product can save a lot of time for them, increase their earnings, and basically they can use unlimited social media platform by basically paying just $24. And all you need to do to grab your link is to click on this promo try here, and you want to click on create uplink. And before you click on create uplink, you want to set a tracking ID, and you want to type Fiverr right here so that you know your sales are coming from Fiverr. And you want to click on this create uplink. So now you want to click on this copy your link. Then you want to go over to a website like cut.ly, and you want to shorten your link by clicking on shorten. So once you shorten your link, you want to copy the link, and this is the link you are going to send to each of the freelancers that you find on these platforms. You don't have to use only social media marketing alone. You can come over to this section. You can come over right here to this video marketing. So once you come over to video marketing, you can see this is a tool that gives human-like voices right here. And this tool is going to pay you $47 for every people you get to purchase this product. And you can see you are going to get paid $12 every single month as long as these people continue using the product. And I can assure you, you are going to find services on Fiverr on people offering voiceovers. So basically all you just need to do, if you come over to Fiverr, you can type in voiceover right here. So once you type in voiceover on Fiverr, you can see over 26,000 people are offering these services on Fiverr. So all you just need to do is to recommend this tool to them, and all they need to do is to use this tool to offer their services and make more money. A quick bonus trick is by using this website right here that gets over 700 million visits every single month, and most of the traffic are from top tier countries, as you can see right here. Okay, and now this website is Quora.com. So you want to come over to Quora.com, and you want to come over to this section that says add questions. So once you type in a question like how to make money online with social media marketing, and also you can see these are similar questions right here. This first one saying, is it possible to earn money through social media marketing without doing any work? You can see one answer on this question. So basically you can come over to answer this question right here, and all you just need to do is to tell them about this tool, and you want to share your Clickbank affiliate link in the answer. So basically you can do the same thing for all of these questions right here. You can see most of them have less than 20 questions. You can see this one with 2 answers. This one does not even have an answer at all. So basically for this one that says, how do I quickly earn $30 daily with social media? You can basically tell this person to offer a service, to offer a social media marketing service on Fiverr by using a simple tool that is going to help the person to automate the whole process. So basically this is how you can use Quora to answer all of these questions. And keep in mind, like I said, this website Quora gets over 700 million visits every single month. So basically you are getting organic and targeted traffic to your affiliate link. And the more people get to see your link, the more chances you have of making a sale. And that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find some value in this video, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.